Hi guys, it's Lucy here from Trekitt, and today we're going to be cooking sweet and smoky breakfast here at Trekitt Farm. Our breakfast recipe serves 4. You'll need everything that shows on the screen now. Start by rinsing the potatoes with clean water. Once washed, cut them into even chunks and cut around 2 cm cubed, leaving the skin on. Place a large cast iron pan on your stove and leave it to preheat. Add a glug of oil to the pan, waiting a few minutes for the oil to heat up. Add the cut potatoes in an even layer so they're evenly covered in oil. Season with salt and pepper and leave them undisturbed until crispy on one side. This will take 4 to 5 minutes. Whilst the potatoes are cooking, it's time to cut up the onions. Next, slice the chorizo and add it to the pan. Slice the peppers and stir in evenly, adding the 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now let it cook, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are tender. This will take roughly 10 to 15 minutes. Using your spoon, make wells within the mixture. Crack an egg into each well and season with salt and pepper. Cover the pan with a lid or foil and cook the eggs until they're done to your liking in 3 to 5 minutes, making sure the egg white is cooked through. Whilst waiting for the eggs to cook, cut up your spring onions, ready to be used for garnish to serve with more black pepper. Once ready, divide your sweet and smoky breakfast between you all, adding the garnish of spring onions and black pepper, and enjoy. Bon appetit!